Well, what if I don't like writing them one on top of the other, stacked like that? Or what if it's not given to me in that way? Well, what I can do is I can do 6x squared minus 3xy plus 2y squared plus 3x squared minus 3xy plus y squared. And I can, since this is addition, I don't have to change any signs. So now I can just go ahead and find my like terms and combine them. So again, I'm going to underline all of my x squareds. In red, I'm going to do my xy's in blue, and I'm going to do my y squareds in green. Notice I don't have any constants in this example. And so I've got 6x squared plus 3x squared. So that's 9x squared. I have negative 3xy plus negative 3xy. Their signs are the same, so I add them. So it's negative 6xy. And then I have a positive 2y squared and a positive y squared. And that's going to give me a positive 3y squared. So my simplified polynomial, after I add those two, is going to be 9x squared minus 6xy plus 3y squared. Pretty simple. Now remember, it's a little trickier with subtraction. Okay, this one's a little hard to read, so I'm going to read it to you. But it says subtract 4x minus 2y minus z plus 1 from negative 2x plus 3y minus 5z plus 2. So I'm going to rewrite them, and remember, since I'm subtracting that first polynomial from the second one actually is written first. So I'm going to do negative 2x plus 3y minus 5z plus 2 minus, in parentheses, 4x minus 2y minus z plus 1. So here, it's the tricky part. I need to distribute this negative sign to the whole polynomial, so that what I end up with is my first polynomial plus negative 4x plus 2y plus z minus 1. I turned my subtraction into addition, distributed that by distributing my negative sign. So now I'm going to just do what I've been doing. I'm going to underline my like terms in different colors. Perhaps what you're doing, since you don't have different colors, is you're going to use different style of lines. And then now I'm going to combine. So I get negative 6x plus 5y minus 4z plus 1. And there is my simplified polynomial. So you can do it this way, you can do it the other way, but you have to understand sometimes it's going to be given to you in this form, and you'll need to be able to do it. Whichever way you want to look at it, you're going to have to be able to take this statement and make it work for you. Alright, so go do the check-in.